Of course, everyone needs a hand vacuum, and for a hand vacuum I have to recommend the best of the best, not the highest quality, probably most expensive one. This is the V8. I learned the hard way. You can't go by voltage. Voltage doesn't tell you the power of a vacuum. So even if it's a high voltage hand vacuum, it's not gonna be as powerful. It's not likely gonna be as powerful as a Dyson hand vacuum. And this is top of the line, and sometimes you have to go with what works regardless of price. It has all the attachments for hard floor. This is the Absolute version, and carpets and corners and such. It's very well designed, as Dyson products are known for, and it's very sturdy. But the one thing, of course, it is the power. That's the main attractive feature to this. Although the design is very good, it's light. It does give off a scent. See, this is the work of my cat Mimi. Thanks, Mimi. Let's put this to work and see what it can do. You need something cordless. It's for practical purposes, and this is the best for this, for cordless purposes, for portability. Charge lasts 6 minutes on high, 40 on low.